Good morning. I haven't vlogged in, I don't know, a couple days, maybe a week. You may not notice, or you may, I don't know, because my vlogs are never, I never post them like immediately when they actually happen. It's usually weeks later, sometimes even like a month later. I'm gonna set you down right here because I don't want to go get my tripod. It's morning time. Oh gosh, I keep having to correct my posture now that I'm going to the chiropractor and my shoulders are sunken in and I'm doing this, so multiple issues. So I'm always having to correct myself. You are watching me have my breakfast. So Loxie's over here. I'm gonna run through my to-do list of what needs to get done today. I need to vacuum the office, and I might as well vacuum the rest of the house. Usually I will vacuum every other day, even though I need to do it every day. But I typically do it every other day, and then what I do is I get too tired to do the whole house, and I just like leave it in the room that it needs to be done in. Yeah, so I need to vacuum, I need to do the dishes. I want to film a flip through of the coloring books that I had hauled from Amazon. I'll leave a card for that video here for you. I don't know if you know what cards are, but they're the little things that slide at the top of the video. And because I want to start getting into coloring now that I got the proper tripod to film the overhead shot that I need. And that way it'll give me a chance to get used to this overshot tripod before I start my planner videos back up. Girl, you should see my craft room. It's bad yet again. I've been so busy with senior stuff that whenever I do a Dollar Tree haul, I do disperse things where they naturally need to go. So I'll take my candles to my guest bathroom. I'll take any kitchen stuff, sponges to the kitchen. And I do try to separate everything. And then if I'm doing any sort of like donation, I try to separate that. But most of the time, or everything else that like I'm keeping, like my stickers and binders and folders and all those kinds of things, they're still in the bags, all in the craft room. It's a mess. And the craft room will continue to be that way because I lack storage space. And here is your daily dose of the lovely. She will get her usual walk later today, but this time I need to brush her. Yesterday it was so windy, I thought that I was gonna fall over, and so I couldn't brush her. So we are gonna get a nice good brushing today. And she also needs a bath, so that needs to be done probably on Sunday. Right, boo-boo? Say hello to everybody. You're about to be 7 years old, aren't you? Yeah. All right, so I got dressed. I'll show you guys. It's nothing, honestly, even worth looking at. But I have one of my oldest favorites. It's not the oldest actually, but it's pretty dang old. It's like 15 years old sweater. It's so thin from being washed so many times. It says Boca Raton, and love this sweater. I have on some workout shorts. I don't know why I'm wearing this because when I mow the lawn, I always cut up my legs from just the trimming part. So I'll probably need to put some pants on when I mow the lawn, but we'll just wear this for the rest of the day. My hair's up in a ponytail. Got some pearls on. Made the bed. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I wanted to quickly show you guys. a haul, but I'll do a try on of this, not in today's video, but I will when I do my SHEIN try on. So I got these pants, they're from H&M. They're high-waisted and they're pretty good length. I feel like it's hard to find high-waisted shorts that's not like the ends aren't by your booty. So I feel like this is a pretty decent length. I actually wanted the regular jean color, but they weren't in my size. So I got it in this black from H&M again. I think it was $19.99. It wasn't even on sale. H&M seems to have really good prices. And then I got this white top. I got it from watching a YouTuber. I forget what her, Lashes and Lace, I think is her YouTube name, or Laces and Lashes, like one or the other. And she had hauled this shirt and I really liked it. So I picked it up as well. Alright, so I got the office vacuumed. It still just looks like a lot's going on in there, but that's okay. Got this room vacuumed. I did this all off camera because I feel like I vacuum on this vlog a lot. And there's a dog. I didn't vacuum in here, true to my natural form. I always leave one room untouched. I don't know, maybe it's psychological, but I did get my room vacuumed, got my bed made. That is Dollar Tree stuff that I've already shown in a video, but it is for a video where I tried Dollar Tree products for a week. It's like Bath and Beauty. So I think I'm gonna start that on Sunday. And yeah, so this room is pretty much done. I tidied this room up, so I did get like the blankets put up. My daughter has some clothes to take up. I got the blankets put up. As you can see, I mean, I just vacuumed yesterday, so you can still kind of see it over there. And then in here, that I cleaned this countertop because it was bad. And then this was the most I could do with the dishes because this was already semi-full. So I have to wait for this to finish and then get these loaded in there. There's the puppy yet again. And as I was taking the trash out and recycling, it's just a little chilly and windy. So I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow. I checked the weather for tomorrow and it just seems sunnier and a little bit warmer. So that is when I'm going to mow the lawn. So we're gonna scratch that off of my to-do list. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt setting up, this is where I wanna film for my, for all of my coloring videos and my planner videos, because this room has the most windows, the most lights, natural lighting. So we're gonna go ahead and set up there and see how this tripod works. And I'm going to show you this craft room. Beware, it might give you anxiety. Yeah, girl. Yep. I don't know, life of a YouTuber? I have no idea. Okay, so here is what I need. Also, in one of my vlogs a while back, I wanted to do little things where I show you guys my collections of things. And the very first thing I showed you guys a collection of was my Dollar Tree puzzle collection. I have not shown you guys my Dollar Tree coloring book collection. That is probably its own video, to be honest. Anyway, I'm coming here to grab the coloring books. Like, look at this. It's just, oh my gosh, these are all Dollar Tree. This is not Dollar Tree, that is Amazon. But alright, I actually filmed my video. So I got the video filmed. It only took about 15 minutes, and that's it. It's gonna take me about 15 minutes to edit, and that's amazing because that's like one whole video. I don't think, again, it's gonna be my most watched video, but yeah, so it's just a staple, I feel like, and I'm kind of wondering, do I even create another channel? I feel like now my vlog is becoming what CraftyGirl was becoming, which was too many concepts in one place, and I want to make sure I brand my channels appropriately. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Third channel, and maybe on that channel it's coloring and planner stuff. That's the other thing. I don't want to bury my planner videos on a channel that has the word vlog in it. So I'm just confused about what I need to do. Why don't you let me know your thoughts? Should I have, if you are into planner videos, should I just create a whole new channel? And I'm wondering if I can just move all of my planner videos between Cheap Crafty Girl and Crafty Girl Vlogs all into this new channel, because I feel like I do have my planner stuff just floating between the two channels. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Loxie's over here making that whining sound. And did I do everything I needed to do with the exception of mowing the lawn? I filmed the overhead. I could probably go ahead and film a color with me.